Hey guys, Rolando from ReveMoto, your prepaid auto body parts source. Today we're going to start off with removing the wrap. So this is going to be our second episode on our Tundra build. So as you guys can see, the wrap on this one is all cracked. And I called a couple of my friends, researched some videos on YouTube, and saw that the wire wheel is actually one of this razor wheel right here is one of the techniques to get rid of all these this cracking on the wrap, because it won't come off in one piece anymore. And then if that doesn't work, we're going to try the heat gun. And then if that doesn't work, we're going to try a pressure washer to take that off. So let's start off with the heat gun and see if that helps out. Alright, so let's try out this heat gun right here. It's a little bit cold. Actually, it's really cold in Houston. It's I think it's going to go below freezing today. So today's 37 degrees. So let's see if the wrap itself is really cold. So let's heat it up as best as we can. Try to put it on high power. So let's try it. It looks like it's kind of coming off. Oh yeah. The heat gun thing is working. It's just taking a long time. So once it gets pretty hot, then to the touch, then you can start using this little flat edge that I got. It's one of my panel removal tool set. So you guys can see the wrap came off, but it ate through the clear coat right here.
Epic fail.
So good thing we're repainting this truck, or that'll be one huge mistake that I did on this wrap right here. All right, so that the heating technique worked, but it's taking a little bit of time, because you can see it's blowing into the air. It's getting kind of cold in here. So let's try this this eraser wheel, they call it. The eraser wheel is doing a lot better job, and it's going by faster, and it's actually taking off a lot of the residue. So I'll continue on with this thing. I'm probably gonna have to use a lot of these, so I'll probably have to purchase more. Maybe like, this is just one wheel. Probably have to do like 10 of these if I'm gonna continue on with this one.
He's heating up. He's on fire. Come on. Boom shakalaka.
The only thing about the eraser wheel is like it goes by so fast that you have to really control it or it's gonna fly out. So I think the wheel has to go this way, but if you go the other way, it's gonna take the wheel off. So I did that the first time I did it. That was my mistake. So make sure you got the wheel rotating this way. When it hits these curves, like when it curves down, you gotta really be careful with this eraser wheel. It'll fly out. Alright guys, so I've been doing this for like 15 minutes already, and this is how far I've gone. Man, at this rate, I'm probably gonna be here for at least a week doing this. So you know what, I think I'm gonna try to sand it down with a 400 grit. Let's see if that helps out. Alright, so I'm gonna try a 400 grit on a sander right here, or a DA. So I wouldn't recommend this if you're just trying to take off the wrap and preserve the paint underneath. But since I'm gonna repaint the whole truck anyways, I figured this is gonna be a lot faster. No, that's not doing anything.
Epic
I'm gonna have to go with something more abrasive. Let's see. Yeah, 400 grit is not doing much to it. So I'm probably gonna try out like a 320 or 180. Let's see if that works. Oh man, this wrap is ridiculous. I'm never wrapping this truck again. Alright, so another guy on YouTube told me that he pressure washed it and it took off. So let's try the pressure washer this time.
No, no, no,
Alright, so the pressure washing technique didn't really work out too well for us. It didn't take off any of the wraps. All it did was take away the residues from the eraser wheel. So the eraser wheel did a really good job, but it's going to take us a little bit of time to do that one. So either I'm going to do it with a bunch of friends, or I'm going to go in and get another sanding paper or sandpaper with a lot coarser grit. So probably I'm going to try around like 180, maybe 320 if they have it at the auto parts store. I'm gonna go ahead and sand this down and see how that works out. But since today's a big fail, the wrap, we're gonna go ahead and continue on with the project and detail the car. Alright guys, if you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on that push notification so you guys don't miss anything on this new project that we're doing. If you guys need any pre-planted auto body parts, go to ReveMoto.com.